Hello students, now we'll go for the exercise 6.2 first problem. I'll read the question, first listen, then we'll go for finding whatever is given. Okay, find x and y, here x and y values, find x and y, show that AB parallel to CD. We have to prove these two are parallel. AB is a line and one is CD is a line. We have to prove both are parallel. First one x and y we have to find, and second time AB parallel to CD. Clear children? Yeah. We will go first one, we'll find x value. This one you observe, what is this one? It is a transversal. Yes? And sum of these two is what is? It is a 180. Why? It is a linear pair. Okay? Yeah. Observe first one. We know that, duplicate I am writing, we know that x plus 50 is equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason here? Linear pair. Clear children? Now 50 transpose x is equal to 180 minus 50 degrees. Then 180 minus 50, what is answer? It is a 130 degrees. X is equal to 130. Clear children? Yes. Now y value we have to find. First x value we got. Okay. Now y value find out. Observe, this is a line and this is the transversal. Here how many angles are formed here? 4 angles are formed. Yes. What are that? These two vertical opposite angles. These two also vertical opposite angles. Therefore directly is equal, what is y value? Y is equal to 130 degrees. Clear children? These two vertical opposite angles. We know vertical opposite angles are equal. Short form I am writing, vertical opposite angles are equal. Clear? X value, y value done. The first question, find x, y. X is equal to 130 and y is equal to also 130. Therefore, x is equal to, y is equal to, both are 130 degrees. Clear? Next, observe, is asking show that, ST means show that AB parallel to CD. Yes? When x and y we know, just now we proved both are equal. How it is looking, you observe, this is a transversal and AB, CD, both are lines. Yes, we don't know it's a parallel or not, but both are lines. This is intersecting at 2 points. Yes, that according to this one, we got x is equal to, y is equal to what is? 130 degrees. Then these two are equal. How it is looking? It's alternate angles. Yes, both are alternate angles. X and y from the figure, x and y, what? Alternate angles. Alternate angles. Clear children? If alternate angles are equal, obviously lines are parallel. Yes, we know x is equal to y is equal to what is? 130. X is equal to y. When alternate angles are equal, then these two lines what is? Both are parallel. Therefore, AB is a parallel to CD. What is the reason? Alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. That is the reason. Clear children? It's a very simple question. Students, now we'll go for the second question. Exercise 6.2, second problem. So this is the figure and given if AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF. If y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7, find x. That means we have to find y, z, even x also. All we have to find. Clear children? Using the figure. Okay? We know one condition, AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF. Using that condition, we have to find all the values. Clear children? Yes. First, what we have to find here? Z and y value we have to find. Then later we will go for the x value. Yes? Because we know the sum of these two is what is? 180. What is the reason? Same side. Sum of same side of a transversal. Clear? Now we will go for, but given is what is? Y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7 given. Yes. Observe figure, these two are parallel lines. This one is what is? Transversal. These two, what is? What type of angles? Vertical opposite angles. What is this one? Vertical opposite angles. Then what is here? Y is here. Clear children? vertical opposite angles are equal and this angle also same y. Now observe one side, sum of these two what is? It's obviously 180 because same side, transversal same side. Clear? Now we know that y plus z. Clear? Y plus z is equal to what is? 180 degrees. What is the reason? Sum of sum of the angles same side of a transversal. Sum of the angles is 180. What is? Same side of transversal. Just short form I am writing. Same side of a transversal. Clear children? First, before what we have to write, these two are equal. Then only it is possible. Okay? Yeah. Then y plus z is equal to 180 done. But ratio is given y is to z is equal to what is 3 is to 7. Assume here let y is equal to 3. Generally we will take x, but here x, y, z is there. You can go for a value here 3a and z is equal to what is 7b. We are assuming y is equal to as 3a and z is equal to as 7b because the ratio is given. We don't know angles. What we have to want? Sorry, this is also you can take as a only, not a b. 7a only. It's a common 3a and 7b. Clear children? Yeah. Now a value we have to find first. Y is what is 3a plus z is what is 7a is equal to 180 degrees. 7 plus 3 10a is equal to 180 degrees. And a value find out from this. A is equal to 180 by 10. 0 0 cancel. Then a value is what is 18. Clear children? A value we got. Then y value find out first. Y is equal to 3 into a. That is 3 into 18 is the 54 degrees. Next one z value. Z is equal to 7a. 7 into 18. 7 8s are 56. 5 is up. 7 1s are 7 plus 5. It's a 126. Okay. Then what is the value? This one y value is 54 degrees and z value is what is 126 degrees. But he is asking what? Find x, not y and z. Okay. From this we have to find even x value also. Clear children? Yeah. Now y value is what is finally here? 54. This value. Observe again. X plus y is equal to what is again? It is 180. Yes? We know that again x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of the same side of a transversal. Sum of the angles of same side of a transversal. Same way that is x plus y is equal to 180. Before we selected at y plus z is equal to 180. Now x plus y is equal to 180. Yes? Then apply y value is what is 54. Applying this x plus 54 is equal to 180 degrees. Then x is equal to 180 minus 54. Clear? Then x is equal to what is 180 minus 54? It is 126. Clear children? Yeah. X value finally what is 126. Observe children, another way also you can do this question. X value. Here we know AB parallel to CD. It is given. And second one CD parallel to EF. Then obviously what is AB is a parallel to EF possible? Yes, it is possible. We know Z is equal to what is 120 degrees, 126 degrees. Then what is this one? It's a transversal. If AB parallel to EF, then it is a transversal. X and Z, what type of angles? Alternate angles. These two are alternate angles. You can go for this way also. X is equal to Z. Then X is equal to what is 126 and Z also what is 126. 126 only. Both are same. Clear children? 126, 100. Alternate angles are equal. You can do this way also. That is up to you. Okay, which is easy that you can solve.